This is Melanie. She's able to spend her time traveling around the world with her husband because of her digital product on meditation. And this is Ron. He quit his job and 50-hour work weeks to sell his digital cookbook on ClickBank. He's now a millionaire. And this is George. He and his wife do more than just make great money with ClickBank. Their product helps women all around the world beat their struggles with infertility. They're making a fantastic income by changing lives. Let me ask you a question. Other than generating a fantastic online income by following their passions, what do these people all have in common? The answer is ClickBank, the world's leading online marketplace for digital products. And in this free, fast-paced presentation, I'm going to show you exactly how these people leverage ClickBank to turn their interests, pastimes, and hobbies into life-changing income, and how you can do it too. Hi, my name is Adam Horowitz, and this is Justin Allen. And here at ClickBank, we are on a mission to help 1 million people achieve their financial goals online.
Over the past 16 years, ClickBank has sold over 300 million digital products and created wealth for more than 100,000 people. Now, we want to help even more people rocket to financial success online. And whether that means earning a few $100s extra each month in your spare time, maybe it's replacing your salary, putting a little cash away for retirement, or even generating real wealth that can deliver you and your family the type of luxurious lifestyle previously reserved for only the rich and famous. So keep watching this free presentation because Adam and I are going to reveal why it's never been easier to get started online, build a job-replacing, life-changing income, and finally forever take control of your life more than it is right now. And if you've ever thought you're too late to join the party, that there's simply too much competition, or that it sounds way too technical and super complicated for you, well, here's the truth. You've got a rare advantage over our current ClickBank success stories. Why? Because as you'll see in a moment, you're going to be able to stand on the shoulders of men and women just like you who are already making the income of their dreams.